Here I have Moto G6 Play, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as the following menu pops up. So here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's choose here recovery mode, press power button to confirm it, and wait a couple of seconds until the Android robot image pops up in front of you. And the no command picture pops up, so now all you need to do is start holding power key, and while holding power key, press volume up once. Excellent, this is Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down again to choose yes and press power button to choose it. Right now the device is sweeping the cache files, formatting all temporary cache files. What's really important, you will not lose any personal data, you just remove the temporary cache files. And as you can see, the Android recovery pops up again on the screen, so press power key to reboot system. Now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. And the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.